In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Charles Schwab referral code on mobile. Let's start with the honest answer so you know what to expect. In most cases, you won't be able to simply find a referral code sitting somewhere obvious in the Charles Schwab mobile app. Referral codes are usually generated for individual customers and shared manually as a link or code, and they're not always displayed prominently in the app. That said, there is a quick way to check whether your account has access to a referral section on mobile. Open the Schwab mobile app on your phone and sign in. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon, sometimes shown as 3 horizontal lines, or go to your profile area. From there, look carefully for any labels that mention Refer a Friend, Promotions, or Offers. App layouts can vary, and these options may be nested a level or two down, so take a moment to scan through the menu. If your account is eligible and the feature is available to you, you'll see a dedicated spot where your personal referral link or code is displayed. That's the item you can copy and share directly. If you don't see a referral section, that's completely normal. Not every customer has this option in the app, and availability can depend on things like current promotions, your account type, or your region. It doesn't mean anything is wrong with your account. It usually just means the referral feature isn't active for you at the moment. A few important reminders as you look. There is no universal public Schwab referral code. These codes are personal. Be cautious with codes you find posted online by strangers, as many of them may be expired, inaccurate, or unsafe. The most reliable source for a valid code is your own account if the feature appears for you, or a trusted friend who is willing to share theirs. For the smoothest experience, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Features like referral programs can roll out gradually or change names, so keeping the app current helps ensure you're seeing the most accurate menu labels. Also, when you do find your link or code, consider saving it in a secure notes app so you can share it easily later without hunting through menus again. To recap, the mobile app may or may not show your referral details. Check the menu or profile. Look for Refer a Friend, Promotions, or Offers. And if it's there, that's where you'll find your personal link or code. If it's not, rely on your own account when eligible or a trusted friend as your best source.